Good afternoon, children. Today you will read page number 77. All of you will write the answer in your book. If your book is complete, it's okay. If not completed, then you have to complete it. Page number 77. Page number 77. Read the clues given below and circle their correct answers in the puzzle. In the puzzle, answers are given. You have to write the answer of these things. Like first one is river that flows in the Atlantic Ocean. Amazon. Okay. Next, first woman honored with a stamp. Queen Isabella. Queen Isabella. Next, largest palace in the private land is located here. It is Prague. Next, Atherton is a table found here. Australia. Next, La Poste is a postal service company of this country, France. All of you have written?
Yes.
Next, match the following. Match the following. Dada Bhai Nairoji is known as Grand Old Man of India. Grand Old Man of India. Next, next is C.R. Das, Desh Bandhu. C.R. Das means Chitranjan Das. Okay? Chitranjan Das is known as Desh Bandhu. Next, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lokmanya. We call him Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He is also known as Punjabi Kesari. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Okay. Yes. Punjab Kesari. Next, Samudragupta, Napoleon of India. Samudragupta is known as Napoleon of India. Next is Nagarjun, Indian Einstein.
Einstein.
Next, match the events with the dates on the timeline. You should memorize the date. Okay, like first one is UNO was formed in 1945. UNO stands for United Nations Organization. It was formed in 1945. Next, revolution in Europe, 1848. 1848. Next is Mahatma Gandhi launched non-cooperation movement in 1920. 1920. Next, Bolivia adopted its constitution in 1967. And last one is Louis XVI was executed in 1793.
1993.
1793. Now come to page number 78. Festive fun. The human race over a period of time has developed customs, beliefs, traditions, food habits and festivals. Read the statements given below and identify the different festivals. The name of these festivals are given in the wheel of festivals for your help. In the wheel, name of festivals are written. You should know the name of the festival of different places. Like first one is, which important festival is observed during every Chaturmas commencing on the 12th day of the Shukla phase of Bhadrapad month. It is,
Paryushana.
yes, it is Paryushana. Paryushana. Next, which festival is celebrated by the people of Ladakh as New Year? It is
Laser.
not leisure, it is Lozar. Leisure is different. Okay, Laser, that is different. That is related to light and it is related to festival. It is Lozar. Losar. Next, which Jewish festival gets its name from Hebrew word for dedication? It is Hanukkah. 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 Next, which festival was started by Guru Gobind Singh to showcase the bravery and valor of the Sikhs? It was Hola Mohalla. Hola Mohalla. Next, which term refers to the Buddhist monastic annual retreat observed during the monsoon period? It is Vassa. 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 Next, 6th number. Which festival is celebrated by the Hindu Tamils in the month of January to honor Lord Murugan? Yes, Thai Pusam. Thai Pusam. 7th number. Which term is used for 6 seasonal festivals Zoroastrians celebrate? It is Gahambar. Gahambar. It is Gahambar. Are you writing, children? Next, 8th number. Which festival is celebrated in the month of Chaitra on the occasion of Tej? This celebration continues for 9 days. It is Gangaur.
Page number.
Page number 78 and 79 you have completed. Now we will proceed to page number 80. It is about art gallery. Paintings are the pictures made for ornamentation of abodes, portrayals of gods and various other rituals. They are produced in a variety of styles and themes according to the material available. Read the clues given below about some folk paintings of India and name them. First is, these are a series of illustrative paintings from medieval India. You know, children, in history, you know ancient history, medieval history and modern history. So it is about medieval India. These are a series of illustrative paintings from medieval India. These are based on garland of ragas depicting musical modes in pictorial form, and best available works are from the 16th and 17th centuries. What is the name? It is Raga Mala painting. Name of the painting is Rag Mala painting. You are reading about name of the painting, Rag Mala painting. What is the feature of Rag Mala painting that you have studied? These are the painting of medieval India. Okay. Next, second number. It is the famous folk art originated in Maithili in the state of Bihar. Its name means the forest of honey. These paintings depict deities, royal court, social events, etc. These are done by the rural women who usually use vegetable dyes on handmade paper, cloth and canvas. It is Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting. It is of Bihar. Okay? Madhubani painting. Picture is also given. Next, third number. These are the famous paintings of Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. This place is in Tamil Nadu. Decorative materials are used to embellish them. In the very best work, gold leaf and semi-precious stones are used. The themes of most of them are Hindu gods, goddesses and saints. You see picture of goddess Saraswati is given. Okay, so this is about Tanjore painting. Tanjore painting, it is of Tamil Nadu. Okay, Madhubani painting is of Bihar and Tanjore painting is of Tamil Nadu. Next, these unique paintings discovered in the early 70s are a unique art form of the tribe of Maharashtra. They are done with ground rice flour and are therefore of single color. Okay, rice is ground and then it is used for this painting, and so it is consisting of single color. Stick like figures of people, animals and trees form a loose rhythmic patterns across the wall. The figures describe their everyday life. It is Warli painting. It is of Maharashtra, Warli painting. Next, it is a famous traditional art of Odisha. The theme of these paintings mainly is second bench, third bench, girl, be straight, sit properly. It is a famous traditional art of Odisha. The theme of these paintings mainly is Hindu mythology revolving around Lord Jagannath. A fine brush made from the hair of mongoose or rat is commonly used to paint them. It is Patachitra painting. Patachitra painting. It is of Odisha. You should keep the name of the state and name of the painting in mind. Okay? Next, this painting is mainly practiced in Rajasthan. These are notably large-scale horizontal paintings on clothes. The main theme is the depiction of local deities and their stories and legends of erstwhile local rulers. It is Fad painting. So about painting, you have to learn name of the painting and state. Other things also you can learn, but these two things are more important. Next is fab art. India's cotton and silk fibers are different types of embroideries are famous worldwide. India's cotton and silk fibers and different types of embroideries are famous worldwide. Given below are the pictures of some famous embroideries of India. See the pictures carefully and then fill in the correct information in the space provided. You can take help from the help box. Like first one is, it is given, picture is given, you can see embroidery is mirror work. Sometimes in the dress you see mirror work is there, and it is of Gujarat. State is Gujarat, and it is used in which dress? Choli, ghagra, shawl, etc. So mirror work is of Gujarat. Next embroidery is Jardoji work. Jardoji work state is Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, and it is used in sari and lehenga.
Sari and
Embroidery, which embroidery? Jardoji. It is of Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh and used in sari and lehenga. Next, third number, embroidery, patchwork. It is patchwork and state is Odisha and used in bed sheets and cushion covers. Next embroidery is of Katha work. Next embroidery is Katha work, state West Bengal and used in sari and bed covers. Katha work. It is mainly used in sari, okay? In bed cover also, but mainly in sari. Next, embroidery, Kasuti work. It is of Karnataka and it is used in sari border and blouses. Last one is embroidery is chicken work. You must have seen, it is from Lucknow.
yes, ma'am.
No? You must have seen in salwar suit, in sari, chicken work is there. So this chicken work is embroidery and state is Uttar Pradesh and used in kurtas and saris. So this is about the embroidery. You came to know many names like Jardoji, Katha work or chicken work. These are the names of the embroidery. Now next page is about the performing arts. Page number 84. Performing arts. Indigenous tradition as well as modern research trace the origin of Indian drama to the Vedas. Drama is the specific mode of fiction represented in performance. The two masks associated with drama represent the traditional typical separation between comedy and tragedy. Given below in column A are the names of folk theatres of India. Match them with the states in column B. In column A, what is written? Name of folk theatre. And on the other side in column B, name of the state is written. So you have to match them. Like first one is Kirtaniya Natak. It is of West Bengal. Kirtaniya Natak is of West Bengal. Next is Dola Marua. Dola Maru. It is Rajasthan. Dola Maru, Rajasthan. Next is Larait, Maharashtra. Fourth number is Yakshagana. It is of Karnataka. Fifth number is Thirubuttu. It is of Tamil Nadu. Sixth number is Bhand, Uttar Pradesh. Seventh number is Kolatta. It is of Andhra Pradesh. And last one is Videshia. It is of Bihar. Videshia starts with B and Bihar also starts with B, so you can memorize it easily. Okay. So this is about the performing arts. You know what is the meaning of drama? Drama is a Greek word which means action. Sometimes when you not behave properly, we can say, na, why are you doing drama? Drama ko log, they take it in other sense, but what is the meaning, actual meaning? It is action. Now about the costumes. Next topic is about the costumes. The main factors that have determined the variety of clothes in different times and locations are the climate and the availability of materials and technology. Okay, children? People have adopted their dresses according to availability of material, technology and climate. The style of clothing has also been affected by changing trends or fashion. Fashion changes, and according to fashion, the style of dress also changes. Identify the costumes in the given picture clues and write the countries they are associated with in the space provided. You can take help from the help box. Now you should identify the dress and the place from where these dresses are taken. Like first one is Icelandic. You can see the dress. Try to recognize it. Second one is Indonesian. It is of Indonesia, Indonesian dress. And you have read that clothes are according to technology, climate, availability of material, etc. Second. Third is Russian. Russian people wear this type of dress. Next one, fourth one is Somalian. It is the dress of Somalia, Somalian. Fourth number. And fifth number is Lithuanian. Sixth number is Botswana. And seventh number is Brazilian. It is of Brazil, Brazilian. Eighth number is Ecuadorian. And ninth number is Kenyan. So this is the costume of different places. Now, the next page is about very interesting page, pilgrimage in India. Every year, people embark on pilgrimages or spiritual quests. Read the descriptions given below and complete the word grid with the names of places of religious importance. Okay? You should know the place and why these places are famous for which religion, that you should know. Religious places you have to know, like all of you must have heard the name of Haridwar, that is religious place. So you should know about these places in detail. Like first one is, it was here that a drop of nectar fell. Nectar, you understand? What?
Yes, ma'am.
What? When it was, nectar is a juice of the flower. Here you can see what is the meaning of nectar fell. When it was being carried away for the god. Okay? It is known as the gateway to the gods. It is one of the 4 venues for a huge religious gathering held every 12 years. It is Haridwar. Next, the most sacred pilgrimage center in India, where Lord Rama worshipped Lord Shiva on his way back from his triumphant expedition to Sri Lanka, Rameshwaram. यहाँ पर राम जी शिव जी की पूजा किए थे जब कहाँ से लौटे थे वो, श्रीलंका से. रामेश्वरम।
वहाँ पे 21 कुंड भी होता है ना? वहाँ पे 21 कुंड भी होता है ना?
रामेश्वरम। नेक्स्ट, थर्ड नंबर, श्री रामकृष्ण परमहंस first preached his spiritual vision of the unity of religion at the Kali temple at this place. It is Dakshineshwar. Dakshineshwar. Next, fourth number, thousands of Hindus undertake an annual pilgrimage to this cave for worshipping the ice Shivlingam during the full moon in July-August. It is Amarnath. Amarnath. Next, fifth number. The Vyadnatheswar temple located in this town is famous for its water tank that is supposed to cure illness. It is Chidambaram. Water tank is there, and if somebody has any problem of his skin and he takes the bath in that water tank, then that problem is cured, solved. Okay, so disease is cured. It is Chidambaram. Next, this temple is the most popular pilgrimage site in Himachal Pradesh and is famous for its eternally burning flame. It is Jwalamukhi. It is in Himachal Pradesh, Jwalamukhi. Next, it is temple, मंदिर है हिमाचल प्रदेश में, और वो हमेशा जलता रहता है फ्लैम। नेक्स्ट, सेवेंथ नंबर, Tamil and Greek documents record the existence of this city from the 4th century BC. Its main event is the 14th day Chitrai festival. Chitrai festival. It is Madurai. Next, 8 number. This is Guwahati's widely known temple, the center for the worship of Shakti and Tantric Hinduism. It is Kamakhya. 3 minutes. This is one of the 9th number. This is one of the oldest and most important Jain pilgrimage centers in India. The names of this place literally means monk of the white pond. It is Sri Ranga. Sri Ranga. 10th number, a 3-day bathing festival held in mid-January during Makar Sankranti at the mouth of the river Hooghly. It is Ganga Sagar Mela. It is held at the mouth of the river Hooghly. Can you say where is river Hooghly?
I mean Kolkata.
Yes, correct.
Kolkata.
Yes, correct answer.
West Bengal, Kolkata.
Next, 11th number, the famous temple in Andhra Pradesh where Lord Rama's faithful follower Jatayu fell down after being injured and killed by Ravana. He was Lapakshi. Famous temple name is Lapakshi. 12 number, this place in West Bengal famous for its terracotta temples dedicated to Lord Krishna. It is Vishnupur. Last one is the most religious site in Chittor district of Andhra Pradesh, visited by Hindus across the world to worship Lord Venkateshwar Swami, Tirupati. So you have read different temples
Yes, ma'am.
and the places where they are situated. These things you have to learn again, and important things you have to read again and again so that it can be memorized. I think in first summative syllabus is almost complete, almost. I will query about this syllabus, but as far as my knowledge is concerned, it seems to be completed. Okay, thank you children.